Okay, hello traders, you're welcome to this analysis. We're looking at the price of Bitcoin, and it is very interesting what the Bitcoin has done previous week and today Monday, and the market has already pushed down and consolidating. So let's look at the daily time frame and see what the market has done as it has hit a very strong resistance level close to the all-time high of 122,374 and started drifting down, and we can see back into the consolidation zone of 120 119,709. Okay, so very interesting. The price of Bitcoin is actually consolidating at this particular price and want to seek in for the entries on this price. So if you look at the daily, if you look at the 4 hour time frame, we'll see where the pullback is coming from, and get a clinical entries on the 1 hour time frame. So we can see the pullback after the price has reached the high of 122,181. We can see the price pulling back with a very strong reversal candlestick and inside pin bar on this particular zone, and it has really shown that this price is actually very strong when it comes to the candle price reduction. So we can see this price is very high for bearish movement. So we see the price going down even lower to the price of 117,587. So interestingly, we see this kind of setups. It shows that we're having a bearish pull up on Bitcoin price. So how far can this price resist a very strong support level of 119,326 is holding? So let's go to 1 hour time frame and see how specific this price level is, and then if we will actually go with the sell bias. So we can see the price still struggling with the within this particular price level, so we have more bearish tone coming in if paraventure the price go below 119,225. Okay, so we can see here that there's already a moving average or moving average cross on this particular level, and we can see how the candlesticks there also give more voice to the pushing down, or because it will test a resistance level and are coming back into the support zone with a high chance that it might break the support zone. So we can see how we will leverage this significant entries of price and get more uh, volatility for the Bitcoin price. Probably the price might drop down to one six one 116553, and we can see that the Bitcoin price has not really is not far away from the all-time high. So we if there's a price push above 120,750, we can actually look at the buy biases, because the impulse of the market is still bullish, although we can observe a trend change. There's a change of trend going on right now. So let me draw the trend line so that we can see the change of trend. So you can see if picking it from that low, you can see that there's a price break and a touch of the price break, the trend line break. Okay, so we can spot a trend line break at this when the price hits this level, it's move back, hit this level and move up. So this line become a trend line, and now we can see that the price had actually broke the trend line, retesting it, and it's coming down. So a significant victory point at around that 120.95. 596. Okay, so we can see that we are still dealing with the price, a trend change on the lower time frame. Even if you go to a much lower time frame of 30 minutes, you can see how the effect of the break trend line is to the chart, as we can see it currently moving on a very dynamic position after the break. So we can see there's a break of the trend line already on this lower. This is 1 minute. I want to put it on 30 minutes time frame. This is okay, it's 30 seconds. We want 30 minutes, sorry. So this is where the price is actually moving on a very, very volatile zone. Okay, so if we look at it on a significant 30 minutes there, we will see how the price is. So you can see it on this particular level that there's a trend line respect and the price has broke below the trend line and now is pushing on the consolidation level. So this particular price is very, very, very picky. If we see the price go below 1,19210, we'll sell the price to 117 or 116. Or if the price go alternatively above 120,729, we can see the higher push to 1 2. So Bitcoin still on the current basis, we are seeing the price changing after the strong bull to a bearish movement. So we're more bearish on this price, and we will seek to see how we get clinical entries for those who are on our new rebrand VIP group. Okay, so our VIP group is now renowned and it's with lesser price right now, but it's going to be on monthly subscriptions. And we want you to take charge of this because fully we have all the requirements ready for accurate signals of 1 to 5 or 1 to 10 signals daily on different pairs. So all our signals are getting set because we have more technology or tools to work with to do more analysis, and the payment system should be timely. So urge you to move with this trend in which we're going to be giving you a high winning trading setups with their signals coming up on our Telegram VIP group with automation. So automation process is already going on as we are putting in for see how the automation process is being completed for similar payment and also training. So I can also cite this before I go out of this chat that we have seen the market moving on a channel. It's like a bull channel, and we can see that it has already break below the bull channels and with a strong bearish movement going on. So we can see Bitcoin is very interesting, and we can also snap the chart and give it for a signal purpose. So very well, like this video, share it, and also subscribe to our YouTube channels. Also subscribe to this link for us to get more algorithm to serve you better as we have our VIP paid room working effectively, giving good signals to with risk to reward management for traders who are very, very ready to make this profit in this last quarter or the second quarter of the year with us, 2025. Thank you. Thank you. See you some other trading time. Bye for now.